Okay, what's up to another software engineering concept in Python? Today we are looking at the JSON Web Token, JWT. So what do you understand if we mention JSON Web Tokens? So JSON Web Tokens or JWTs provide a secure, compact way to transmit information between parties. Unlike session-based authentication, JWTs enable stateless authentication without server-side storage. And JWT actually consists of three parts separated by dots, and such as the header, which specifies signing algorithm and token type, and then payload contains claims and data being transmitted, and also signature, which ensures tokens integrity. This approach powers modern authentication systems, single sign-on solutions, and API authorization. We'll now look at how to implement this and its ways in Python. Okay, so PyJWT is the leading Python library for JWT implementation. It enables token encoding or also decoding, and actually manages claims like expiration time, issuer, and audience. Key features include customizable token expiration, multi-algorithm signature verification, and standard and custom claims support. Django and Flask integration is one of the most key and most important features of this. So if we look here, we are looking at an example of a code. Okay, so this one you have to take your time and pause this video and try to run this in your VS Code to understand how this actually works. This is an example code practical version for you to hands-on test this. Okay, so do well to pause the video, type it in manually on your VS Code to boost your proficiency. Thank you for watching this video.